start doing follow you in a couple of the, okay, so goals today, possibly upper blood pressure.
Okay.
If I can get the courage to do that last jump. And then do almost as much as you on overtime.
Okay.
Maybe the fifth or sixth jump.
Yeah. All right. I think I just want some repetitions on this bike, you know, not usually riding this one, but it jumps better, I think.
Yeah.
And it's fun going down upper blood pressure. So some repetitions, and then maybe a couple, if I can get a couple runs down those first 3 jumps on lower. I'm still not going to pull the trigger on that big skimmer yet, especially not on this one. I want the travel, but I'd like to try this one.
Doesn't go well.
What's that?
Just in case it doesn't go well.
Yeah.
I'll get some third person review on that and send it to you.
Okay.
Cool. No, it's mine quite a bit. It's probably going to last video for a while. It's 60, but the goal is more jump progression, and today's a little different because we got Joel from Bikes and Vans. So, hello, if you haven't seen his channel, check it out. He's much better at jumping than I am. We're just going to do some warm-ups on learning curve, work our way up to OG, and then I'm going to attempt to do a few overtime. So, let's get to it.
All right. Let me see. Let me get that.
How nice this is to jump compared to the other bike.
Oh yeah. That one is so fun.
It is so nice and smooth.
Yeah.
And it feels 100 times better than the e-bike.
Pretty good going down?
Can stay at speed. This one I have to brake a lot.
Yeah.
The e-bike I can stay at speed and it's fine. Except for the whale tail.
Yeah.
Yeah. Definitely feel better. I like it. I gotta have both.
That's got to be a godsend for you down there at Capitol Forest.
That's the main reason
Yeah.
I went to Capitol State Forest and then on this bike.
Yeah.
And shortly after.
All right.
One more time on OG.
All right. Following Eric down. That was pretty smooth. Which one you doing?
I'm waiting for him to come back up.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you.
Okay, I'm attempting to show Eric the first jump on overtime is doable. Let's not mess it up. Perfect. That felt pretty good.
Looks good.
And I'm really not like...
Alright.
Alright, here we go. First jump on overtime. Eric's got this shit. Get it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice, right?
I don't know. I've only ever done this one. What are the... I'm going to walk OG.
Yeah.
You guys going to be here for a while? I'll let you know when I...
Yeah, OG's just...
And this one's very smooth, and I'm not that great at jumping either, and I hit down the line.
Yeah, maybe I'll just...
Not right now, like walk it.
Yeah, I just want to get to know
Yeah.
it first.
We'll be right here.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get overtime, so.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, whenever you're ready, just let me know.
Cool.
Alright, following Eric down OG. Just keeping it smooth. Woohoo!
I don't think it's a pedal, but I'll pull off if I feel.
I'm going to wait. I'm not sure what these dudes are doing.
Oh, the
They
walkers?
make me nervous.
Oh, yeah, that's good. Yeah, if I pull off, it's just because my pedal is giving me,
I'm going to give you space. I don't like to be too close to box.
yeah.
I'll follow you right down, Eric. I'll be right up your butt.
I like it.
Alright, after mechanical, following Eric back down. Woohoo! That's pretty good. Slow down too much. 50-50 down. Eric's gonna take some video, third person style, and he's taking a quick break there. He had a little pedal mishap, unthreaded and kind of got cross threaded, so it's kind of like it would be working in his head a little bit. All right, drop him down. Woohoo! All right, dropping in. Heading back up. All right, dropping in overtime. Oh, he did both. Whew. All right, let me follow you down and then we'll head to blood pressure. Check that out.
I was gonna do overtime one more time.
Okay.
The very first jump.
Oh, good. All right.
Okay.
Let me get down there and video it as you're going over. All right, Eric coming down, hitting the first jump here in overtime. He did it once, but he was behind me, and I didn't see it. Nice, like butter. Woo! Is down here where you're saying that other jump line is?
Yeah, I think it's okay.
Oh.
Not a jump line, though.
What's that?
Definitely not a jump line, though.
What'd you say it's called?
Hold on, I'll put it in the map.
All right, coming down. That is fun. All right.
I'm just worried that more so that I'll just be, because I know how big it is.
Yeah.
It's going to be tense. I'll be too far
Yeah.
behind the bike or something. That's what I'm mostly worried about.
Oh, absolutely. And you will be, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Like, I still like death grip it, you know. I tell myself, like, you know, heavy feet, soft hands, heavy feet, light hands, and then like I'm never doing that when I'm going over it.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh my god.
You were cooking though.
Yeah. I don't know. I think this one's pretty good to go fast on.
Yeah. Hopefully the footage is good because I do have to turn really fast when you come through.
Okay.
You know, hopefully my lighting is good on this too. If you found an iPhone, I don't know about this.
Yeah. All right, coming in.
Oh, all right.
You got it. Off I go.